Hello guys, this is Ghost. I want to show you quickly this website that will pay you $5 for just signing up. It's called Honeygain. Honeygain is a very simple app that allows you to make free money for completely free. What I mean, it allows you to make free money as long as you install the application on your smartphone. How it works is very simple. You can see that they have sent me a message saying that just want to let you know that we have confirmed your payout of 20.1 cents USD and it has been forwarded to you. Money will be transferred to your PayPal account shortly. So yeah, they have confirmed the payout, the request I did, and they will send me the money on my PayPal account. You can see the proof that I have received money from this application, which is called Honeygain. So go and install the application on your smartphone or on your computer, and once it's running on your computer background or on your smartphone background, you will make money. It's available on Mac, it's available on Apple Store, it's available on your Google Play Store. Install the application and start using it to make money for completely free. So to see the application, let us head over to the application. Once you have installed it, this is how it will look. You can see the logo at the bottom, have a B icon, and you click on it, it will open automatically once you have registered. You need your phone number and your email address to register on Honeygain. Sometimes they don't even ask for your phone number, you register directly with your email account. So that is how they work. So this is how it works. You see the B rolling around, that is how they work, and you can see how much gig I spent in last 30 days. You can see I spent 19.03 gig in the last 30 days, and those are the devices that that is connected to this application. And you can see that I've referred 13 people under me, and once you want to refer people, click on the refer links here, and you will get 10% of what your friend will earn anytime they are using this application, or anytime they allow this device to run on their computer or on their smartphone or iPhone background. And once you have hit the minimum amount of pay, now you can see this button that says payout will become blue. Once it's blue, you can click on it and you will cash out your money. Once you click on the transaction history, here you will find everything that concerns the money you receive from your referral, and the money you get daily. So that is how you can see everything. If you did any transaction, you will see it on the transaction history. So we'll go back to the home menu again. So here you can see everything that you need to know on this Honeygain application. And if you click on this section too, you can see the settings. You can click on settings here. You can come to increase how much you want to be spending every day, how much data you want to be spending, how much gig. Let me say you want to be spending like 40 gig a day, 30 gig a monthly. It depends on you. Just come and set it up here and allow it to run. And once the application is running on your computer background, is running on your smartphone background, is running on your Android phone background, you will be making money. When I mean free money. So that is how this application works. If you ask me, have I received money? I just showed you the proof that I received money from this application, and I'm about to receive other money again. Just free money for just allowing this application Honeygain to run on my computer background. I know you'll be wondering how much is the minimum amount of cashing out. You can see here that they say you haven't reached the minimum amount yet. The minimum amount is $20. So the $20, once you hit $20, you will now cash out your $20 into your PayPal account. So that is how it works. Let me go back again and show you proof. You can see the proof that I've received money from Honeygain. This is the message they sent to me to give me a full notification and confirmation to say that they have sent me my $20. So you can go now and start using Honeygain. Follow the process, start making money with Honeygain from now. I will say thank you very much. This is Gospel. I'm going to end the video from here. Don't forget again, hit that like button and leave your comment in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. I'll say thank you very much. Thank you again. Don't forget, like this video, share it with your friend, and peace out.